Today we're going to take a full walkthrough of my garage workshop. I'm also going to highlight some of my major builds as well as minor ones, like this cart for my recycling bins. This is my base station in the workshop. It's where I relax as well as brainwork present and future projects. I designed and built this cup holder stand and stack shelf, as well as this tablet and phone holder. I also built this footrest from scrap wood. The chair is the Titan from Secret Labs. You can find a full video of that with all information on my channel. Here are 3 other stands that I use for editing and production. My first tool I'd like to display is my Arrington dual-beveled sliding miter saw, which, like all of my tools, have its own separate dust collection port. The cabinetry is my own design and build. For the side tables, I put dual gas compression shocks for easy opening, with manual operated braces to lock the table in position. Both side tables are fitted with the same equipment. Both side tables are also fitted with T-track, sliding block stop, and rule measurements, all recessed for easy operation. The saw is equipped with 2 sections of extension slider, both right and left 45-degree bevels, and a locking stop for the center. Inside the cabinetry, I have my DeWalt planer on a slide-out tray. The cabinet has a cutout in the rear so I can operate the planer in position. I just have to pull down the outfeed table. Next up is my 9-inch Wen bandsaw. Like everything else, it's on wheels. This one has a little compartment for storage. I probably use this tool the most because it's very versatile and it requires the least amount of preparation. It has a safeguard of a locking blade cover as well as a safety key. It also has a flexible light. I designed the table myself to accept my guide fence, and I utilize a clamp to hold it down. My voice-activated Simply Human trash can comes in very handy, and I have a full video for you on my channel, as well as a 4 months later review. Among the super essential equipment for a shop is my mini-split air conditioning. It provides cooled air during these very hot South Florida summers, as well as heat during the infrequent cold spells. You can also find the installation video for the screen door on my channel, which is used during the milder days. This is also my build, a storage box cabinet for all miscellaneous screws and hardware. The reason for building this is the same reason all the boxes are so filled. When you don't have this stuff organized, you lose track of them, and you end up buying doubles of things that you already have. On this wall, I have some of my craft builds. You can find full videos for the Predator Head, the Alien Face Hugger, and Pennywise the Clown on my channel. No shop is completed without entertainment, and a smart TV gives you the best of all audio and visual worlds. Please take the time now to like, share, and comment on this video, as well as press the bell notification so you'll know when I upload new material. Before finishing up this walkthrough, I have to highlight the first and one of the most important additions were these Husky wall hang cabinets. They've been here from the start and they've held up very well. The latest cabinetry addition was this Husky 46-inch rolling tool chest and workstation. There's a full unboxing, assembly, and review video on my channel. Be sure to check that video out for more in-depth information on this cabinet. Although this whimsical build is not my design, I did make some personal modifications to it. Instead of having an out-of-place light switch, I retrofitted an actual water valve to work as a switch. Of course, every shop must have a first aid kit. And on this wall, you can see some kootzes that are both hand and machine carved. You can find videos of this on my site also. My Northern Tool high chair is another one of the long-standing pieces of equipment in my shop that held up well. I did a lot of research on grinders before I happened on this Metabo and decided that it was the best. For my drill press station, I once again went with the Wen. I designed and built my own drill press table and bought the Woodpecker DP Pro with dust collection fence. Here I'm working with the Rockler Power King power station with built-in lights. I built my own see-through dust collection box for my Cyclone vacuum system. The extraction flap had to be made very tight in order to not lose vacuum. The vacuum piping is ran up through the ceiling into the garage attic. That's where the vacuum unit is located to lessen the noise in the shop. The Cyclone system collects more than 85% of the dust, so I rarely have to go up and empty the vacuum. This storage workbench is also my design and build. It's also on wheels, and my pocket hole drill is strapped to the side. This is my cabinet design and build for my table saw. It has an attached flip-up at the feed tape, my custom safety push sticks, a removable wooden work surface, with clips on the side to store the fence. Although this is a 20-inch table saw, I installed a sucking set of pins 4 inches back to create a 24-inch table saw. I have a slide-out tray to catch the dust dropping just underneath the table saw. The last two tools, but definitely not the least, are my router planer and my sander. The router planer is also my own design and build, and you can see this video on my channel. I designed and built this cabinet specifically for these two items. This sander can be used as a oscillating belt sander as well as a drum sander. I built some storage compartments for my spray paint. The garage door is insulated to hold in the air conditioning. And I have a brand new ladder hatch door for the attic, which is also insulated. You can find the full videos on the PVC interlocking floor for the garage as well as the LED overhead lighting. Once again, thanks for watching, and please hit the like button and share this video with others. Don't hesitate to share any comments and suggestions, and press the bell notification so you'll be notified of any of my new videos.